humans evolved,
Uh-huh.
and then like AI happened, and then they like went out through the galaxy, or maybe it takes many decades, maybe it takes a century, but like, is that like the grand scheme of what's happening right now in history?
Sorry, in what sense? I mean,
In the sense that there were other technologies like computers and even like fire, but like the AI happening is as significant as like humans evolving in the first place.
I think that's tricky. I think people like to, I mean, the history of humanity, I think, has been people basically, thinking that certain aspects of humanity are like really unique in different ways, and then coming to grips with the fact that that's not true, but humanity is actually still super special, right? So it's like we thought that the Earth was the center of the universe, and it's like it's not, but like it's like humans are still pretty awesome, right? And pretty unique. I think that another bias that people tend to have is thinking that intelligence is somehow kind of fundamentally connected to life, and it's not actually clear that it is, right? I think like people think that. I mean, I don't know that we have a clear enough definition of consciousness or life to kind of fully interrogate this, but I know there's all this science fiction about, okay, you create intelligence and now it like starts taking on all these human-like behaviors and things like that, but I actually think that the current incarnation of all this stuff, at least, kind of feels like it's going in a direction where intelligence can be pretty separated from consciousness and agency and things like that, I think just makes it a super valuable tool. So I don't know. I mean, obviously it's very difficult to predict what direction this stuff goes in over time, which is why I